Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Both the markets closed positive today. Let's start with DFM market index, that is Dubai Financial Market. I'm on the daily chart. Market went sideways for about 4 days, that was between 4,325 and 4,345. Yesterday we saw a breakout candle. This was positive right into the resistance, that is 4,360. As we all know, if you're watching my analysis, we are keeping eyes on this resistance zone that is between 4,360 and 4,400 points. This zone is very crucial for the markets. We have to see how the market reacts into this zone. Mind you, 4,400 is very crucial because previously when it made a bearish chart pattern right around 4th of March 2024, this was the peak, and from here we saw aggressive decline to the downside, and this was also the head of this bearish chart pattern. Once the neckline was broken, we saw aggressive move to the downside, and now market is about to approach exactly at this area. This will be a test whether market hits this zone and comes down aggressively, or it crosses this zone, which will give us a confirmation resistance is taken out, and from here there are chances it may continue its upside momentum. In that scenario, we will have 4,500 as next resistance zone for DFM market index. As of now, with today's closing, market is still positive. There are good chances it can continue its upside momentum. We have good support zones on the way down. Previously also, after making this move, as I had mentioned, there are chances of small correction. Market came down till about 4,300 points. It found support, made a U-turn, and from here we are seeing continuation to the upside of this bullish rally that started from 4,180 points. Again, similar kind of scenario. If at all market wants to come down, then 4,340 is support. If this does not hold, we have 4,320 and then 4,300 respectively. Obviously this is our breakout area, that is 4,290. So on the way down, if at all market wants to come down for a small correction, plenty of support zones are established. Market is strong. There are very good opportunities, so pick up the stocks carefully. If at all you are busy and you don't know how to select, then join my YouTube membership. You can scan this QR code. This is the daily chart of ADX market index, that is Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange. We saw correction in the market from 9,400 points. Check this out. Rally started from 9,160. I have been mentioning market has been printing all green candles. There are chances of correction. It cannot break out strong area of resistance when the buyers have started to join the market from 9,160. Market needs a breather, and if you are watching my analysis regularly, I had mentioned we are having good and strong support zones on the way down. One of the support zone was Fibonacci golden ratio that was right at this area, that is 9,245. We saw it pierced it, but very next day we saw a quick recovery. This confirms support is still intact, and from here we are seeing continuation. Resistance was at 9,350. Previously market went up, could not survive, and from here it came down. Yesterday's candle was also above the resistance. We did not see a close below this area. This again gives us a confirmation. Now resistance is taken out. There are chances market will try and hit 9,400 points again. Let me tell you that previously when it was trying for a breakout, we saw aggressive move to the downside. It came down till about 8,975. We saw aggressive recovery. Market recovered very quickly. After a pullback that is till about 9,250 points, we are seeing upside move. There are good chances it may take out 9,400 points. In that scenario, we have our next target at 9,480 points. If at all market continues going up without any correction, then there are chances it may hit this resistance, come down for a correction. A retest will be healthy. We may see a new leg to the upside. Exactly like this. Check this out. All green candles. Market was tired. It wanted to take some rest. We saw a retracement, and now it's gearing up for another move. So market keeps moving in phases. There are very good chances we may see a small correction after hitting this zone, and then it may continue its upside momentum. Now let's discuss one of the big ticket in the market, that is Q holding. I'm on the daily chart. As you can see, some lines are plotted on my chart. This is an indicator. It's called Bollinger Bands. Let me give you a quick idea. The red line that you are seeing is upper band. It acts as a resistance. This green line is lower band. It acts as a support. and in between we can see a blue line that is 20-day moving average. We know support for Q holding is between 3.08 and 3.10. It's been going sideways for so many weeks. 3.08 is holding very well for now. We can see buyers are present in this zone. Whenever price comes near this support zone, we can see a push to the upside. So this gives us a confirmation support is intact. And with today's green candle with good volumes right into the support zone, there are very good chances it can continue its upside momentum. Most likely it can make an aggressive move with a big candle. This is my bullish analysis number 1. My second bullish analysis is with the indicator. Check this out. Whenever we are seeing Bollinger Bands getting closer to each other, we can see contraction in the volatility. This is called a build-up zone. So usually what happens into this zone, it builds its energy for a breakout, either to the upside or to the downside. Check this out, what happened here. After this tight phase of contraction, we saw aggressive move to the upside till about 4.00, and from here it's going sideways. The reason I have included Bollinger Bands in today's video is we are seeing very similar kind of scenario. Check this out, bands were very wide right here and right here, but now bands are very closer to each other. It means we have very tight volatility. It's a build-up zone, and again there are chances it can continue going sideways and expect a bigger move to the upside most likely. Yes, there are chances it can even come down aggressively, but as I mentioned, I'm bullish bias, so I'm expecting a move to the upside. What can happen from here is, if at all tomorrow it opens with a flat opening, that is exactly at today's closing at 3.14, or if at all it opens with a gap up, then the chances are more towards upside breakout, not necessarily tomorrow but during the week or even coming week. If at all it opens with a gap down, then this will show weakness. There are chances it can again come down within this range, continue building its energy, and then it will decide if at all it wants to break to the upside or to the downside. Overall, Q holding is going sideways and we are anticipating a breakout, so we can plan our entries accordingly. As I mentioned, if at all it opens in our favor, that is with a flat opening or with a gap up opening, we can take our entries. Stop loss should be planned below the low of support at 3.08 to 3.07 area, and from here we are looking at our targets 3.25 and then 3.35 area. So guys, this was the quick update on Q holding and market indexes. For more detailed analysis and my stock recommendations with entries and exit, you may join my YouTube membership. Hit the like button if today's video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.